Hey, Scoopbuddy fam, what if I told you that you don't need a big team, fancy office, or millions in funding to build a thriving business? Welcome to the era of the solopreneur, where one person can run an entire empire with just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a smart strategy. Gone are the days when building a business required dozens of employees and complicated hierarchies. Today, thanks to powerful digital tools, automation, and remote work opportunities, a new type of entrepreneur is emerging, the solopreneur. These are individuals who manage, operate, and grow their business entirely on their own. And guess what? Many are doing it successfully, earning more, working on their own terms, and living the life they design. Section 1. What is a solopreneur? A solopreneur is someone who starts and runs a business entirely by themselves. Unlike freelancers who work on client-based projects, solopreneurs often create products or services that generate recurring income. Think digital courses, content creators, e-commerce, or software as a service. They are the CEO, marketer, customer support, and strategist, all rolled into one. Section 2. Why are solopreneurs on the rise? The growth of online tools like Canva, Shopify, Notion, and AI platforms means that one person can now do the job of many. Combined with social media reach, remote collaboration, and automation, solopreneurs can run global businesses from their bedroom. The pandemic also shifted work culture, inspiring many to take control of their time and income. Section 3. Key skills. Solopreneurs need to succeed. Solopreneurs must master time management, basic marketing, content creation, and financial literacy. More importantly, they need discipline, because without a boss, staying focused is all on you. Fortunately, with so many resources online, these skills are easier than ever to develop. Section 4. Challenges of being a solopreneur. It's not always smooth sailing. Solopreneurs face burnout, decision fatigue, and sometimes loneliness. Since they wear many hats, it can be tough to balance creativity with admin tasks. But those who embrace systems and delegate using automation or outsourcing often find their flow. Section 5. The future of one-person businesses. As AI tools grow smarter and global marketplaces become more accessible, solopreneurs are positioned to thrive. The future favors those who adapt quickly, stay lean, and offer value. You don't need to build the next Amazon. Even a small, focused business can make a massive impact. 6. Monetization avenues for solopreneurs. Solopreneurs have diverse income options, from launching digital products like ebooks and courses to affiliate marketing, consulting, coaching, or selling custom merchandise. The ways to earn are endless. Platforms like Gumroad, Patreon, and Teachable make it easy for individuals to create and sell without any team support. 7. Inspiring examples of successful solopreneurs. All over the world, people are turning hobbies into six-figure incomes. Think of YouTubers who built brands alone, newsletter creators earning from subscriptions, or app developers managing everything themselves. These success stories prove that solopreneurship isn't just a trend, it's a real, achievable life.